How do you know if you're doing the correct mewing tongue posture? It's a common question because you can't see in someone's mouth and see how they're doing it. And you also can't see inside your own mouth and see what it looks like in there. There's a few ways you can know what it feels like when your tongue is up against the palate in the correct posture. The sing technique. You've probably heard this one and you've probably even tried it. Say the word sing and hold the position that your tongue is when you hold the ing end part. Making that NG sound at the end of sing, your tongue has to be up against the palate to make that sound. So sing, that's roughly the position that you want to be holding. You're mewing, you're doing it, man. When you do that, your tongue is up against the palate and it's not touching your teeth at all. So try doing this like 10 times a day. Every once in a while, just do it. Hold it and get used to what your tongue feels like. Remember to breathe. The swallow hold. Now this is when you swallow and then you hold your tongue in that position. So my advice with this one is don't do it. I think this one leads to a lot of confusion because people swallow and then try and hold it, and that blocks the back of their throat and then they can't breathe. When you're mewing correctly, you can breathe, so this ain't it. The chin up hold. This one I discovered myself and I actually found it to be really effective, especially in the early stages of mewing when you really have no idea what you're doing. Start by lying down on your stomach like this.
No, you hang up. Oh my god, stop.
Now put your head up like this, close your mouth, and then try and put your whole tongue up against your upper palate. I found that it's way easier like this to actually get your tongue up against your palate, because when your head is pointing downwards, your tongue has to kind of curve, and that's really hard on the muscles. But when your head is up like this, it's really natural for your tongue to straighten out and sit up against the palate. So it's a really great way to get used to what it feels like and to strengthen the back muscles of your tongue. This is why back posture is super important, because with the correct back posture, your chin is sort of up anyway, and it makes it easier for your tongue to sit in this position. Definitely worth a try if you're a beginner. No matter what I do, I just can't get the back third up against the palate. Your face just isn't strong enough. It's not ready for it. Make sure you have correct back posture because that will make it easier. But just take it easy. Like, it doesn't matter if you can't do it straight away. Focus on the other parts of mewing, just having the tip up there. It's gonna take a few weeks, maybe a few months. Get used to it. During that time, your face may hurt a little bit, but it's gonna get stronger. Your jaw is gonna move forward a little bit. The muscles in your tongue are gonna get stronger. And over time, you'll just find one day that, yeah, you'll be able to get it up there.